Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something sweet, protein-packed, and seriously convenient. The pure protein bars, are they really nutritious? Gluten-free? And do they taste as good as they promise? Let's find out. Pure protein bars are marketed as nutritious snack bars packed with a whey protein blend, gluten-free and perfect for anyone on the go, whether you are working out or just need a high-protein snack during the day. Each bar contains about 20 grams of protein, only around 2 to 4 grams of sugar and approximately 180 to 200 calories, depending on the flavor. That's a solid protein-to-calorie ratio. The protein comes from a blend of whey protein isolate, whey concentrate, and milk protein isolate, great sources for muscle recovery and satiety. Alright, let's talk taste. I've got the chocolate peanut butter flavor here. Smells pretty good. Let's give it a try. Okay, that's actually good. Chewy texture, rich chocolate coating, and a subtle peanut butter taste. Not overly sweet, which I like. But yes, it's a bit dense like most protein bars. High protein, 20 g per bar. Low sugar. Gluten-free. Convenient and travel-friendly. Good variety of flavors. If you are someone who's into fitness, needs a post-workout snack, or just wants to cut down on sugary snacks, pure protein bars are a great pick. They are also perfect for gluten-sensitive folks. So, final verdict. For the price, taste, and protein content, pure protein bars definitely deliver. Just keep an eye on how your body reacts to sugar alcohols if you are sensitive. And if you liked this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a snack breakdown.